Guys, my name is Brittany. If you're new swinging through, then welcome, and if you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart.
Ooh, you had a lot of dreams that transformed to visions, but that you saw the world affected all your decisions. But it wasn't your fault, wasn't in your intentions. You're the one here talking to me, you're the one listening.
Today's video is going to be one of my bougie on a budget series. So if you're a bougie babe, then you know how we get down. Quick disclaimer, if you do not like these videos, go ahead and click out of this video. I do have other videos on my channel that might be more of your interest. This is going to be either a like bougie teen video or a bougie men's. I might title it bougie men's because the sizes are men's sizes. I bought these items for my little brother for his Christmas gift. So you can see like the chair is, yeah, the chair is like right here. He was supposed to be my guest opening up his own gifts, but the thing is he's really sick, so I'm not trying to get sick. I don't want him in here coughing. You guys know when I get sick is like horrible. So since my little brother is sick, I went ahead and decided that I would open up his packages for you guys to see them. So I went ahead and put his items in this bag here. It didn't come in this bag. It came in, it just came in a huge like wrapping bag, I guess. You know how they ship things from China. And I ordered him 2 clothing items. So let's go ahead and get into those. I ordered his Christmas gifts like 3 weeks before Christmas, and I swear these came like 3 weeks after Christmas. So his stuff really felt like it took like 2 months. I'm not even kidding. So the first thing is like this. It's a t-shirt, and it's in this bag with like, it looks like cake, rabbit. It says kiss. You can see like the little print all over the bag. I don't know the brand or why it did that, but yeah, so let's go ahead and open it and see the quality. And I think the shirt I might have ordered like a large. I think the shirt I might have ordered a large or extra large. Let's see. It's really soft. Oh, it's a large, and then it's upside down for some reason. So the tag. So here's the tag. It shows that it's a large. It's really thin. Like, I feel like you can see me through this shirt. Oh wow, this looks like it's for a baby. I don't know if he'll be able to wear this. We'll see, but this is the shirt. So this is the Gucci shirt. It does look kind of small. I'm gonna have them try him on, and if he can fit this, then we'll take a picture of him in it, but I don't know. Maybe it'll fit him. And this is Gucci. Really good quality. The material of the logo is actually really good quality. It's just that the shirt is really thin. It's like on the silky side, a silky cotton. No, it's leaning more towards silky. It doesn't even feel like cotton for real. And it's a large, but this large definitely looks like a medium, guys. So if you can go like 1 to 2 sizes up, I definitely recommend that. I feel stupid for ordering him a large. I really hope that this shirt fits him, because if it doesn't, like, it'll take another 300 years to get a new one. Like, it's so small, guys. Look, it's like a little baby shirt. And my brother is 14 and he's taller than me, so I don't know. I feel like this shirt might feel a little too short on him. I think this shirt might be a little bit on the short side for him. I'll keep you guys posted and let you know. The second men's item that I ordered for my brother off of iOffer is a hoodie, and it came just like this. This packaging doesn't say anything on the back. It's just clear bagging. And I think I ordered an extra large in this, which I should have just did an extra large for the shirt, but I wasn't thinking. Yeah, this one is a extra large. Here goes the tag. The tag is right in the hood. There it goes. So it's the extra large. Excuse my nails. I need to get those done. Yeah, he'll be able to fit this. This is the hoodie. And for some reason, you can see how it's shiny. It really doesn't feel like cotton. It feels like more silky. But it's a Gucci hoodie. And just like that. It comes with the pocket. It's a tiny pocket. I can't even put my hand in it. Hold on. Yeah, these pockets are small. The pocket is tiny. Like, this is all the space they give you. Let me see. I have an iPhone 7 Plus, and I don't even think, yeah. Just so you have an idea of how small the pocket is, this is the opening that they give you. My phone can barely go. Like, I will have to push it, like, force it in there. But yeah, so really, really small pocket space, but that's okay. He has small hands, so he should be okay. I do like how the G's are intertwined like that, and you still have that opening there. So it doesn't give a dead giveaway that it's fake. I like the green and the red there, and the logo Gucci. The drawstrings on this hoodie are pretty nice. It has the little tips at the bottom, just like any other regular hoodie. So that looks really cute. Actually, they're metal. It has these like little metal tips on the bottom of the drawstring, so that's really cute. So if I had to choose which item I would definitely recommend, it would have to be the hoodie, and also size it up. Like if you're a large, go ahead and order a 1X or 2X, because this one will fit him. I feel like I ordered this way too small. If it doesn't fit him, I'll have to give it to one of my friends that are tiny, because he's small too, but for some reason the length, like this is all of the length of the shirt. So I don't think this shirt will fit him, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted on if it does, or if it barely fits him, I'll let you know. As for the hoodie, I know for a fact he'll be able to fit this, so I'm glad that I got him this. Yeah, so this is our Boujee Men's edition. This is not the Boujee Babes. You know, I know all the Boujee Babes are watching, but yeah, this is the men's edition. I just had to bring this edition to you guys so you can see that there are other options on iOffer. If you have a man, if you have a little brother, you want to go ahead and hook them up with some stuff for the low, you know, go ahead and go to iOffer and just search these things. Like you would search Gucci hoodie, Gucci satchel, whatever, Gucci shirt. All of this stuff will come up. I think the hoodie I might have spent like $15. The shirt was only $5, so if that doesn't fit, then it's okay. I'll just have to order him something else. I'll probably order him something off of dhgate, so that way you guys can actually meet him on my channel. If you're coming from my mom's channel, you already know Nick. But if you're on my channel and you don't know who my little brother is, then he will be in the next video on our Boujee Men's edition. So yeah, so he didn't get to sit in the chair today because he was not bringing his cooties in here. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos, then definitely keep watching. I've been keeping up with the analytics, and I can tell which videos you guys are liking, so I'll definitely keep bringing these to you guys. If you have any recommendations that you want me to review for you, go ahead and leave it down below in the comments. Just let me know what bag is your favorite bag. If you can't find a bag on iOffer, I know a lot of you guys are struggling trying to find these bags. Go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below. It is kind of hard for me to check my email for my YouTube and my email for my wedding planning. So if you have any questions about these bags, or you want the link or whatever it is, go ahead and hit me up in my Instagram DM. That is the quickest way, honey. Like, the quickest way. I will get back to you right away, as long as it's in my Instagram DM. That way I see it right away and I can hit you right back up. So yeah. If you have any other questions, concerns, want to say anything, go ahead and leave it down below in the comments. If you want any links or anything, hit me up in Instagram DM. Just make sure you follow me. I'll see it. And yeah, so I know this video did have a lot of information, but I wanted to bring it to you guys so you know iOffer does cater to men also. But yeah, if you have any questions, definitely hit me up in the Instagram DM. That'll be the quickest way. If it's about iOffer, if it's about iOffer dhgate, you need a link, definitely hit me up in Instagram DM and I will get back with you. It's just quicker. I thought that the email would be fine, but then I got engaged, and girl or guys, like, it's hectic. It's so hectic. I have photographers emailing me, venues emailing me. These people want me to go with their food catering, emailing me. It's a lot. So if you want any bag links, just go ahead and Instagram DM me, and that'll be the quickest way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely talk to you in my next one. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!